Teddie peanut butter is the #1 all-natural peanut butter in the Northeast. Our products are essentially Teddie all-natural peanut butter, regular, salted, and we have different varieties, the chunky, unsalted, organic. In 1925, the company had started in Boston in a 5 or 6 story structure where raw materials started at the very top floor, and by the time they got to the bottom floor, it was a finished product. In the 60s, the company moved. Our factory and entire operation is located here in Everett, Massachusetts, and we've been here for the last 60 plus years.
Before Plex, we were using a on-premise custom-coded software using a no longer supported software framework. We didn't have real-time access to data. Receipts, production, and shipments were all uploaded the following morning. So there was a delay between the time of a transaction occurring and it being recognized in our old system.
We didn't have real-time visibility. We didn't have the seamless integration across all the functions. We didn't have a paperless environment, everything from production to quality management. We didn't have the flexibility in reporting that we had, and we weren't able to make decisions because of the data that we have available. So all of these things led to the decision to embark on a software evaluation and selection journey. That was almost a year-long effort because if we were going to do this, we wanted to do it right and only once. Plex was one of the first companies that had sort of shown up on the radar screen.
We liked that Plex had a background in manufacturing as well as a focus in the food and beverage space. During implementation, it was helpful having Plex's implementation team working alongside with us, which gave us both on-site as well as remote support and access to Plex's education portal, which was helpful in getting our workforce up to speed on how to use the software, but more specifically, how to use it here. One of the benefits we saw immediately was real-time access to data. For example, we previously weren't tracking downtime. Now we can track downtime to the minute, and this has allowed us to run reports to see what pieces of equipment might be causing more problems than others, allow us to focus on corrective action, what needs to be addressed to prevent future downtime.
It was all-encompassing, so it wasn't a situation where there were other third-party applications that were bolted on. So it was all within the system, like EDI, for example, embedded inside of Plex was something that we liked a lot. And we liked the quality management functionality. It sort of hit all the points that we wanted to achieve. We can support a much more granular view of our product costs, our customer profitability, our manufacturing performance, our engineering reliability, the paperless environment from a quality management perspective, the QC techs, everything is done on a tablet in a real time. So we can see the moment a QC tech has either completed a check sheet or put something on hold or taken something off hold, it's immediately available.
Before Plex, we were still operating as we largely had in the past in the 20th century. With Plex, we're now ready to scale for the next 100 years.